Hey guys, welcome to RK Keynotes. In the previous video, we have seen how to implement sessions as an implicit object. In this video, I'll talk about cookies in JSP. We have already discussed cookies with servlets, right? So we know that cookie is a small piece of information which will be stored in the browser, means in the local machine. Fine. So the advantages are basically to maintain the state of the user, means to remember the user. We use cookies and then which will be maintained in the client side, and the only drawback is that cookies can be disabled. So if it is disabled, then it will be difficult to track the user, it will be difficult to store the username and all such information, right? So now, how to implement the cookies, and we are going to look into how to delete a cookie and then how to read a cookie. So we are going to implement three operations. That means creation of cookie, deletion of cookie, and then how to read the cookie. Fine. It is going to be a very simple example. Just listen so that you can implement it easily. So you can see that it is index.html file. So we know that in index.html file, basically we create forms, right? So this is a form. So I have two text fields, that is name and city. Fine. So and then I have a button, submit button. The moment I click the button, it should go to create cookie.jsp, and the method I'm using is post. You know that why I'm using this. It will not expose the value, right? In the URL. Fine. So index.html is clear. Now let's go to this create cookie. Hope you are aware of the syntax. Cookie is a class, so that we need to create an object. Fine. So before that, you see this, there is a scriptlet tag, and then I'm using two variables, name and city, and then I'm saying request.get parameter, and then this is the text field name, and then again this is text field name. So whatever entered in the text field, it will be assigned to this two variables. All right. In this case, my variables are also same, and my text field names are also same. I have kept. So here I'm saying I'm creating two objects, two cookie objects, and then you can see that the cookie name is name, and then I'm passing the text field name, and then again the second cookie name is city, and then again here I'm passing this city value. All right. Now I'm using add cookie method to add the references. You see these references into this. So my in the response, so first the client will send the request, and then in the response we are adding these cookies so that it will be added in, stored in the browser. Fine. Now what, for how long it should get stored? So this is the thing. Set max age method is used, and then for I'm saying name cookie, city cookie. So these are all the references, right? The variables. And then so 16 to 16 to 24 means for 24 hours it will get stored. And then I'm saying hyperlink to read the cookie. Now I want to read all these information in the browser alone instead of getting into settings and searching for cookies. I just want to display the information. So I'm creating one JSP file, that is read cookie. So here you can see that again inside the scriptlet tag. Here I'm starting it, and then here I'm closing it. So again, I'm saying cookie, and I'm creating cookies array, and then I'm saying request.get cookies. This will get all the cookies from the browser. Okay, this method. Now there are more than one cookie, right? So that we can use for loop. And then I'm saying I equal to 0, I less than cookie.length, I plus plus until the length, it is going to loop. So now I want to display these information, cookie name and cookie value. So what I'm saying is that I'm saying cookies, the array name, and then I'm saying I means the first cookie will be taken, right? And then it keeps on looping. Then it goes to second cookie. So we have two cookies. Basically, it starts from the index 0. We know that. So get name, get value. Two methods I'm using. Get name means it will print the cookie name. Get value means whatever the value which I have entered in the text field, which will be stored as a cookie, right? So that value will be printed here. That's it. So after printing these cookies, now I need to delete a cookie, right? So it means I'm going to delete both the cookies in this example. If you wish, you want to delete any one of the cookies, yes, you can perform that. So this is a hyperlink for delete cookie. Now, the moment I click on this hyperlink, it goes to delete cookies. Now, again, I'm following a simple method. You see this, I'm saying the same name cookie, this is the name of the cookie we have created, and then I'm setting null. Whatever is stored in this name, which should be, get set as null. And then I'm saying set max age 0, which means the cookies will get deleted, because previously we set the max age for 24 hours, right? Now I'm setting it as 0. And then similarly, I'm setting the value null. So and then again, I'm adding this one in the response. So the cookie will get deleted. Name cookie will get deleted. Similarly, the city cookie also will get deleted. Now I need to confirm this, whether the cookies are, the cookies got deleted or what. So I want to go to this page again, read cookie. So I have created a hyperlink. So if I click on this, it goes to the read cookie page, and then it'll not show the cookies. It will clear these values which are stored. All right. So that's how I have implemented this example. Let me go back to that, and then I'll open that file. So that, let me close this. Yeah. So here you can see that. So there is index.html. I don't have anything like web.xml, because in index.html, I have a form. So the same thing, 2 text fields and then 1 button. And then I have a create cookie. You can see that. This is the code for creating cookie. Fine. And then I have a read cookie page. Let me open that. And then you can see that. So starting from scriptlet, so this is, I'm using get cookies, get name, get value, these methods. And then I'm creating a hyperlink for the delete cookie. So if I open that, and then it goes here to the delete cookies page, and then I'm simply saying set max age 0, and then setting the values null. That's it. I'm doing in this particular page, nothing else. Fine. So again, I just want to confirm this. So I'm creating a hyperlink to this read cookie. So in this read cookie, the same. Means it goes back to the read cookie. Now the cookies will get removed, so it will not print any of the cookies. Fine. So that should be the output. Now let me run, and we are getting some information like this. And let me say our keynotes, and then city is Rajkot, and then submit. The moment I say submit, see, now it is in the create cookies page. Fine. So so now the cookies got created, and then now I need to read the cookies. We can read the cookies that in the settings, we know that. So now I have created a hyperlink for read cookies page. So if I click on that, it goes to read cookie page. Now it is displaying all the information. We can see that this is the session ID which is created, and then this is the name of the cookie is name, and then the second name of the cookie is city. And then these are all the values which I have entered. RK keynotes and Rajkot are the values which I have entered in the text field. Getting it? So now it has, these things got stored as cookies. Now, how to cross verify? You just press Control Shift I, and say Control R, and then click on this. You can do that one in inspect, and then, or else you can go here, and then you can say more tools, developer tools, and then you will get the same. Fine. So let me go here. So there are multiple ways to do this, and then you have to go here in the network, and then you will get the same page. That's why I've used the shortcut Control Shift I. And then now click on this, and then scroll down. You can see that it is displaying the same information over here. And now you see this, my name got stored as a cookie, my city also got stored as a cookie. So this is how cookies will get stored. Now I need to delete a cookie. This particular hyperlink is to delete the cookie, right? If I click on, the moment I click on this, now the cookies got deleted. Now it is in delete cookie page. Now I need to cross verify. I need to redirect again to the read cookies, so that I can cross verify it. Click on this, so it goes to read cookie. Right now we can see that still the session remains, because we didn't invalidate the session, but the cookie information, that RK keynotes, Rajkot, those values will got cleared, means deleted, because we have set max age 0. And now if you cross verify it, let me just check it out, and then Control R, click on this. Now we can see that so there is nothing like cookie that RK keynotes was not there. Under cookie, you can see only the session ID, but those name and city got removed. Fine. So this is how we can implement cookies using JSP. Now, in the next video, I'm going to implement the same concepts with expression language, where the syntax is going to be, very easy, and the length of the code will be less. Fine. So that is an interesting concept. Stay tuned. Do hit the like button if you like the video, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, and thanks for watching the video.